There's something magical about lure design. I'm still in love with it after all these years. There's something magical about lure design. I'm still in love with it after all these years. You know, in this world there seems to be a computer program or an app for everything. And designing lures has still got a bit of a black art to it, and it's what I really like about it. Nearly every lure trips me out, and there's something I learn. I think, whoa, didn't know that before, and you just keep on learning. It's just that memory bank of doing this for 30 years. And little things come back, and they're the things that make the difference, whether you can make a really good lure or a bloody brilliant lure. Fucking great. The shimmy of the Slidog is a bit of a trademark of the whole Slidog range, and it took a lot of fiddling around to make the magic happen on this one, but once we got it right, it was spot on. There's a real sense of anticipation when the first ones arrive from our factory, just to see that finished product in packaging, ready to go. It's just awesome. So I get to a product I'm absolutely thrilled with, and I'm very, very proud of, and to get it out of the water and catch that first fish is just something really special. Just seeing that fish and then catching those first fish yourself, it's like you've just completed the circle, and it's just a very good feeling. I love it. I'm going to keep doing it for a long time.